In this video, we will see how to make a payment to your suppliers. To make an advance payment, go to Accounting menu and click Bank Journal. On the Bank Journal form, click New button and select the supplier. After the supplier is selected, put the debit amount for the advance payment. Since this is an advance, we are not going to select any reference number for this transaction. You can put the check number or transaction reference number if it is an online payment. And click Save button. So this entry will be treated as an advance to your supplier. To make a payment against supplier's invoice, you need to make a purchase journal in CraveInvoice software first. A purchase journal represents your supplier's invoice. Here you need to mention the invoice number and select the supplier name. After selecting the supplier, you need to select the items for the invoice. And mention the purchased quantity. This quantity will be directly inward into the inventory. We also need to mention the supplier's rate. Now to make a payment for this purchase journal, click on the Make Payment button. The amount to be paid is automatically selected here. On the right side, you can choose the mode of payment. You can either select bank or cash. If you select bank, you can select the payment type, whether it is by check or whether it is online transfer. So we are doing it here with the bank and click Save button. The payment is updated. As you can see, the due amount is 0. Similarly, you can make payment for one or more supplier invoices together. This is how you can make payment to your supplier from CraveInvoice software. To watch more videos and learn more about CraveInvoice, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.